So Caseflex makes a number of screen protectors for various brands. In this case, I'm going to show you how to apply it on the OnePlus 6. But keep in mind that this is a flat screen phone. It's not a curved screen phone. So if you're getting a curved screen phone, keep in mind that the application might be different. I'm going to show you on the phone that is a flat surface phone, like the iPhone, the OnePlus. So you can see the box right here. This comes with this little box like so. You can see the details here on the back of the case of the box. And this basically slides out. You also have a little tutorial of their own if you would like to check that out. And this comes with a little cloth to dry off your screen and to clean it off. It comes with an alcohol pad to clean your screen. It comes with a little dust removal sticker, a little welcome thank you note. This is not important. You have this glass lifting sticker, and then you have the hinge stickers. I'm going to show you in a moment what this is for. So the application of this screen protector is a little bit different than the one that comes directly from OnePlus. So the one from OnePlus actually tells you to put on the original case that comes with the OnePlus, and then you fit their screen protector onto the space that's left, you know, the little border of the case that's left around the phone. It's used as a guide, but in this case it's kind of a hinge application kind of a thing. So I'm going to show you really quickly the screen protector itself. So here it is. Okay, you can see it. There's a little tab right there that you're going to use to pull then, and it's actually on this bottom part. So this has to face upward, and this little part that has a pulling tab is to face downward. So we can give this kind of like a little clean. So it seems like a pretty good fit. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Won't be pretty easy. So yeah, it leaves a slight, like, let me see, like I don't know, maybe a millimeter around the entire screen is left a little millimeter margin. That looks pretty decent. So the first thing you would do, let's put this aside, is you flip your phone with the screen facing down. Okay. You're gonna get your hinge stickers. So these that say hinge stickers, you're gonna get this one. And you're gonna pull, make sure this is nice and clean, the back, so it sticks on correctly. So there's no grease here on the back. And you're gonna get your hinge sticker and you're gonna glue it right here on one end of the back of the phone. And then you get your another one. Make sure that your phone is on a nice non-slippery surface so it doesn't keep moving around. That's very important. Now you're gonna get this one. You glue it on this side. Okay. Now once you have these two little tabs glued on, you flip your phone back over again like so. Okay. Now I'm gonna give it another nice clean here with this dry cloth. Make sure you don't contaminate the stickers so you're not touching anything. And now I'm going to get the alcohol pad that comes with it, and I'm going to give it another clean. So we want no fingerprints, dust particles, or grease on the screen. We want to make sure it's completely as clean as possible. So we're going to give this a nice clean all around. Okay, guys, and I'm actually going to turn it this way because the earphone is right here, so you want to make sure this is on your left side. It'll probably work better this way. And you're going to give it a nice clean, make sure it's completely clean. The ideal thing would be to do it with the original screen protector on and just peel it off. Do this right after, you'll make sure it's even more clean. Okay, now I'm going to get that little cloth thingy and dust it off again. So this seems pretty clean to me. Now the next step is to grab your screen protector Make sure you have the side with the tab that's supposed to peel off facing downwards. Okay. Okay, make sure the side that's going to go up against your screen doesn't contaminate your phone, but we'll see that. That's, you know, even if there's a little bit of dust, there's no problem with that. You'll see why. And then you want to center this perfectly on your phone. Make sure this part is well aligned. The camera here, the earphone is all nice and aligned, and that this is perfectly centered. And as soon as you know you're absolutely sure it's centered, right here on the earphone, you look up, you know, from the top, look down, make sure it's completely centered, and you're going to hold this securely in place. And then let me just make sure this is nicely centered. Okay, and then you're going to get these tabs. You're going to pull them over the screen like so. Okay, making sure you have this little tab on this side. Okay, now you're going to get the second one, do the same thing. Make sure this is securely in place and centered. You just hold it down with like your right hand if you're a righty and pull this over tightly. Okay, and press it well down so that you make sure it doesn't move. Okay, so now we know that this is more or less centered. You're going to get this little glass lifting sticker and you're going to do it. So you already have the hinges here. Now you're going to place the screen lifting thing with this. Make sure this is sticking out, okay? Because this side doesn't have any glue on it. And you're going to put this right here in the middle. Press firmly. Let's pull this back now, all the way back. Now you're going to get your alcohol pad once again. Give it another clean. Right up to the edge so you make sure there's no dust or fingerprints. Very easy. Dry this off very carefully. Okay. Just make sure there's no dust, because once you glue the screen on, it's your screen protector, you're finished. There's nothing, you can't go back, of course. Okay, and now you have this little sticker which you use to remove any dust particles off the screen that might be left behind. So you make sure that it's completely dry and clean. Okay. Now you pull this little tab off, and as soon as you pull it off, you want to pull your screen into place with the little tab right away so there's no dust under. And you just drop this like this and you press it here in the middle, okay? That's it. Now you want to make sure, once again, that it's perfectly aligned. Seems okay to me. And I'm going to give this a nice press. Press it down well. And you're done. Now you just have to remove this very carefully. You don't need this anymore. Flip this over. Just pull the hinges off. Done. Pull the other hinge off. Give it another press. Now I can see there's a little bit of rainbow effect here. This should go away after a few hours, I'm hoping. And yeah, here it is, guys. Now let's just switch this on. Yeah, seems to be working pretty fine. Beside the rainbow effect, which is not good at all. That's not really the ideal situation, but it is what it is. And yeah. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments, okay guys? So see you later. Thanks for watching.